Today I'm going to walk you through a project we're completing in Middletown. The reason the customer called us out to this project is because they actually tried to waterproof the basement themselves. The customer had a monolithic foundation. Mono meaning one, means they poured the slab, they built the walls on top of the slab, and it essentially has no footing. Traditional construction, there's a footing, they build the wall, and finally they pour a slab. The footing is what gives your wall its structural integrity and keeps your house standing. So, as a result, when you pour a monolithic foundation and you jackhammer right next to it, you eliminate a third of the foundation's footing and cause structural damages. And that's just what happened here. As you can see, the customer jackhammered out their trench, and as a result, the walls are bowing, the foundation is failing, and they still have a water problem. So as a result, we need to fix the water problem, we need to fix the bowing walls, and we need to restore structural integrity back to the home. So we're going to do this in 3 different processes. The first process is carbon armor. This wall here is deflected about 1.5 inches out. So as a result, our product carbon armor is perfect for it. We have to grind down the wall, we install a plate and epoxy carbon fiber strips to the wall to maintain the structural integrity. Next, on this wall is deflected out 4.5 inches. This wall here, we have to brace the house, knock down the wall, pour a new footing, and then rebuild the wall. And on the back wall, as you can see, what we need to do is install power braces. Power braces are a 4-inch thick steel I-beam that gets fastened to the wall in order to keep the wall from moving in. The customer installed these temporary supports in order to stop the wall from falling down while we got the proper permits in order to complete the project.